Hello everyone, I'm Becky Goldsmith with Piece of Cake, and I love a good long sharp point on my graphite pencils. Now I can get a point, as I did here, with the Blackwing two-step sharpener, and I've shown you that before. I want to show you the one-step sharpener. It's pretty sweet. Comes in a box. You open the box and pull this out. It has a beautiful, soft, matte black finish, and it's weighty. It feels good in your hand. It's metal. It's been machined. So to get access to the insides, to empty out the shavings, you pull out the sharpener part. I think you can see that this has a curve. The blade is curved. So when you sharpen your pencil, the wood isn't straight leading to the point. It has a subtle inward curve that makes for a stronger point. Just so you know, there are replacement blades that are available. I should have them in stock now or soon. Okay, so to use this, or just to keep it in your drawer, you'd want to keep it together. So mostly that's how it is. I've already sharpened this pencil, and the shape of the end is different. So I'm going to sharpen this pencil so that we can compare. This is one of the Palomino soft pencils, so the graphite is not as hard as the 602. Let's see here. Has it gotten, oh yeah, that's plenty sharp. You can see the difference in the points. Now what's interesting is that the graphite is a little longer on the one-step sharpened side, but it's shorter from the end of this paint to the end of the point. Blackwing knows their stuff when it comes to pencils, and they developed this sharpener to make the point stronger on the one-step sharpener. I like this. I like it a lot. It's a more expensive sharpener because it's metal and it's machined, and making those curved blades is probably harder than making the straight blades that are in the two-step sharpener. The beautiful part about this is that either one of these sharpeners will give you a very nice point. One's more expensive, one's less expensive, they both work. You get to decide which one works best for you. Isn't that nice when we get choices? I like that part. I hope you've enjoyed seeing this demonstration, and I hope you enjoy sharpening your pencils to a lovely, nice, long point. Thanks for watching.